going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to deep clean your wheels. Anyway, guys, so as you guys can see, oh wow, that looks flat. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and I'll show you guys how to do that. I'm gonna clean the back side, like the inside of it, from all the brake dust. It's just a good way to get your car's wheels super clean. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get your floor jack or another type of jack, jack up the car, and then go ahead and take off the wheels. So as you guys can see, I already did the floor jack. Now I just have to take off the wheels, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so a few things that you're going to need are a brush or a drill bit brush head, and then the most important thing is Purple Power. So this is like the best degreaser in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and spray it onto the wheel, scrub off the brake dust and the grease with the brush, and then we're going to get a paper towel and wipe it off. So let's go ahead and get the Purple Power and spray it all around. Remember guys, this is a degreaser, not a polisher, so this is meant to get the dirt off. Alright guys, so once you've done the front side, go ahead and flip the wheel over and start spraying the back. Cleaning the back is honestly the most important part because it gets the dirtiest. And when the back is dirty and you keep washing your car, all the brake dust fluid will just fall down. It will go to the front of the wheel, so you don't want that to happen. So you want to clean these at least every once in a while. Just go ahead and scrub it down and then wipe it off just like the front. Alright guys, so once you got the back done also, go ahead and do the rest of the 3 wheels. Just repeat this process. For the best results, you would want to pressure wash this, but I don't have a pressure washer set up. You would just rinse all this out because this is degreaser, but it's also fine if you just use paper towels and wipe it down. It's a lot cleaner on this side compared to before. Alright guys, as you can see, I put on the wheels, and so now I'm just going to do it for the rest of them. That's how you guys degrease your wheels and make them a lot cleaner. I would do this probably, once every 3-4 months, just so that when you're actually washing your car, the brake dust doesn't come out onto the wheels and get them dirty after you just clean your wheels. Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope it helped. If it did, if you guys could leave a like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.